Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is video about integration. What is integration? Integration, also called antiderivative. This is the process of solving for antiderivative. Is called antidifferentiation or indefinite integration, and its opposite operation is called differentiation, which is the process of finding a derivative. For example, if we have function fx equal to 2x, then if we differentiate function f prime x will be equal to 2. So if we want to go back from derivative function to the original function, we can use integration. So the process of return to the original equation, we call that integration. There are two types of integrals. First is indefinite integrals, where there are no limits for the integration, and definite integrals is the integration that have a limit a to b. If we integrate function indefinite integrals, we will get a function fx, for example, and then we need to add a constant c. If we integrate the definite integrals, we will substitute their answer, substitute their limit b, substitute b first, then minus, substitute the value of a. Here is properties of indefinite integral. If we integrate dx, means integrate 1 here. We have number 1 here, integrate 1 dx equal to x plus c. If we integrate k dx, k is a constant, then we will get kx plus c. If we integrate k fx, k is constant, we can move k to outside of the integration and we will integrate function fx. If we have integration of x to the power of n dx, integrate this one, we will get x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. If we have a plus minus function, integration of fx plus minus gx, we will separate that function, integrate function fx plus minus integrate function gx. Now we look at some example of integration. If we have integration of 2 dx, integrate this one, we will get 2x plus c. If we have integration of x to the power of 3 dx, integrate this one, we will get x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. So this one equal to x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. Next, integrate 2x plus 4x to the power of 3. We have a function 2x, and then add 4x plus 3. We can integrate separately. So this one, we will integrate 2x first. So 2, we just put 2, and then we will differentiate x. So integrate 2x, we will get 2x, the power of, this one is power 1, so our power will be at 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus, and then we integrate x, for x the power of 3, we just put 4, and then we integrate for x. So x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. So this one we will get 2x square over 2 plus 4x the power of 4 over 4 plus c. We can simplify this one, so we get x square plus x to the power of 4 plus c. Now integrate 2 over x square dx. So this one we need to adjust this integration to be a polynomial function. So we can bring x square in the denominator to numerator. So here we can write 2x to the power of negative 2 dx. Then we can integrate for the polynomial function. This one we will get 2x raised to the power of negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. So this one we will get 2x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Simplify this one, we will get negative 2 over x plus c. Next example, integrate x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 6 divided by 2x squared dx. So for this question, we can separate or simplify the rational function. We divide each term by 2x. So this one, we will divide x power 3 divided by 2x. X to the power of 3 divided by 2x, we will get x over 2 plus, then 2x squared divided by 2x is 1 plus 6 divided by x 2x squared. We will get 3 over x squared. Alright, after simplify, then we will integrate one by one, because this is the plus or minus integration. We will integrate one by one. So integrate for rational function, this one we need to adjust to be a rational function. So we will write x over 2 plus 1 plus 3. So here becomes x to the power of negative 2 dx. Okay, now we can integrate. Integrate x will be x for over 2 here we can write 1 over 2. 1 over 2x. Integrate x will be x squared over 2 plus integrate 1 is x plus integrate 3x squared 3. So integrate for x, x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 divided by negative 1, and then add constancy because indefinite integral. Then simplify our answer. We get x squared over 4 plus x. This one becomes negative 1 over 3 over x plus c. Alright, next example. Integrate x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 2. Here we have multiplication. We cannot integrate one by one. If we have function plus minus, then we can integrate one by one. So for this integration, first we need to expand this function. Expand. Here we will get x to the power of 3 and then x multiplied by 2 negative 2x plus expand 1 multiplied by x squared, we get x squared, and then 1 multiplied by 2 negative 2 dx. So our function now plus and minus only, so we can integrate one by one. So integrate x to the power of 3, we get x raised to the power of 4. 3 plus 1, 4, divide by 4, minus 2x. Integrate 2x, we get 2x to the power of 2 over 2, plus integrate x to the power of 2, we get x to the power of 3 over 3, minus integrate 2 is 2x, plus c, because indefinite integral. Then we can simplify this one, we get x to the power of 4 over 4, minus x squared, plus x to the power of 3 over 3, minus 2x, plus c. Next is the indefinite integral of trigonometric function. First, if we have integration of sine ax plus b, integrate sine ax plus b, we will get negative cos ax plus b divided by a. A is the constant of x, and plus c for indefinite integrals. So this formula is applied to all the trigonometric function, and students should be memorize all the formula of integration. Formula integration for trigonometric function. Please memorize integrate sine ax, we will get negative cos ax. Integrate cos, we will get sine. Integrate second square, we will get tangent. Integrate cosecant square, we will get negative cotangent. Integrate second tangent, we will get secant. Integrate cosecant cotangent, we will get negative cosecant. Please memorize all the formulas. Now we look at example. We want to integrate sine 6x dx. So first we integrate sine, we will get negative cos. So we get negative cos, and then write the function is 6x. And then divide by constant for x is 6, so we divide by 6 plus c, because indefinite integral. Next, integrate 2 cos 5x minus 3 dx. So 2 is the constant, so we just write the constant 2, and then integrate cos, we will get sine, and then we write their function is 5x minus 3, and then divide by, we take the constant of x is 5, so divide by 5 plus c. Next, integrate secant square for theta d theta. So integrate secant square, we will get tangent, and then write their function is 4 theta. And then divide by, constant for theta is 4, so divide by 4 plus c. Next, integrate 1 plus 3 cosecant square to y plus 7. So first we integrate 1. Integrate 1 with respect to y, we will get y, plus integrate 3 cosecant square. 3 is constant, so we write 3. And then integrate cosecant square, we will get cotangent. We get cotangent, and then write their function is 2y plus 7. 2y plus 7. Divide by, constant for y is 2, so divide by 2 plus c. Next, integrate sine secant 5x tangent 5x dx. So 9 is constant, so we write now 9. And then integration of secant tangent, we will get tangent. So here we will get tangent. The function is 5x. Tangent 5x. Divide by, constant for x is 5. So divide by 5 plus c. Next is the indefinite integral of exponential function. If we want to integrate function exponent x, we will get the same function ex plus c. If we have integration of function exponent raised to the power of ax plus b dx, so integrate this function, we will get, we write e raised to the power of ax plus b, and then divide by, constant for x is a, so divide by a plus c. So if we integrate function exponent x dx, we will get the same function ex plus c. If we integrate function exponent raised to the power of 2x, we will get exponent 2x, and then divide by, constant for x here is 2, so we will divide by 2 plus c. Next, integrate 2e3x dx. So 2 is a constant, so we just write 2 and then integrate exponent 3x. We will get exponent the raised to the power of 3x. Then divide by, constant for x is 3, so divide by 3 plus c. Next, integrate exponent raised to the power of 4x plus 2 dx. So integrate this one, we get exponent raised to the power of 4x plus 2. And then divide by, look at our constant for x is 4. So divide by 4 plus c. Alright, next, integrate 1 over e the power of 2x dx. So this is rational function. So we need to adjust this function to a polynomial function. So we can write integration of exponent raised to the power of negative 2x dx. So now we can integrate. So integrate this one, we get exponent negative 2x. Constant for x is negative 2, so divide by negative 2 plus c. And then we can simplify this function to be 1 over 2 e 2x plus c. Alright, next we want to integrate exponent 2x plus 2 divided by ex dx. So for this problem, we need to separate and simplify our function first. So this one we can separate, divide e2x over ex. So we get ex plus 2 over ex dx. So for 2 over ex is rational function, we need to adjust to polynomial function. So we have ex plus 2 e negative x. We bring ex to be polynomial function. Then we can integrate this one. Integrate ex, we get ex plus, integrate 2 e negative x. We get 2 e negative x. So constant for x is negative 1. So divide by negative 1 plus c. Simplify the answer, we get ex minus 2 over ex plus c. Next is the indefinite integral of natural log function. If we have integration of 1 over x dx, we will get ln x plus c. if we have integration of 1 over ax plus b dx, we will get ln ax plus b divided by constant for x is a, so divide by a plus c. So please remember, if we have integration of 1 over x dx, we will get ln x plus c. If we have integration of 2 over x dx, we will get 2 ln x plus c. Alright, now integrate 1 over 3x plus 4 dx. We will get ln 3x plus 4. And then divide by constant for x is 3. So divide by 3 plus c. So remember, if we integrate a function, rational function, in the numerator is the constant and the denominator we have x to the power of 1, we will get function ln. Next, integrate 5 over 1 minus 4x. So we have constant in the numerator and we have in the denominator we have x to the power of 1. So this integration we will get ln. So 5 is constant, so we just write 5 and then integrate 1 over 1 minus 4x. That one we get ln 1 minus 4x. And then divide by constant for x here is negative 4. So divide by negative 4 plus c. Next, integrate 2x squared plus 3x negative 1. We will integrate one by one. Integrate 2x squared and integrate x to the power of negative 1. But if we integrate x to the power of negative 1, if we add negative 1 at 1, we will get 0. So we cannot use formula for plus for power, but we need to write the integration as 2x squared plus 3 over x dx. So integrate this one. Integrate one by one. We integrate 2x squared. We will get 2x to the power of 3 over 3 plus integrate 3 over x. We will get ln. So we get 3 ln x plus c. Alright, next integrate 1 minus 1 over 5x. So integrate 1, we will get x. Integrate 1 over 5x, we will get ln, because we have 1 over x here. But we can write also for this integration 1 minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over x. So that we can integrate 1 respect to x, we get x minus integrate 1 over 5, 1 over x multiplied by 1 over x. 1 over 5 is constant, so we just write 1 over 5. So integrate 1 over x, we will get ln x plus c. Alright, now integrate 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 1. So integrate 1 over x, we will get ln x, and integrate 1 over x, we will get ln x plus 1.